Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Give the correct biological term for each of the following descriptions. The development of the embryo in which a lot of energy is used and the young are able to move directly after hatching. The correct answer is precocial development. Precocial species invest more energy into embryonic development, resulting in offspring that are relatively mature and mobile at birth or hatching. These young can walk, see, and feed themselves shortly after birth. Examples include ducks, chickens, and some antelope species. Structure that provides nutrition to the embryo in the amniotic egg. The correct answer is yolk sac. The yolk sac is an essential structure inside the amniotic egg, providing nutrients to the developing embryo. It contains stored food in the form of proteins and lipids, which support growth until the embryo can survive independently. This is a key feature in the eggs of birds, reptiles, and some fish. Fluid-filled bag around the embryo. The correct answer is amnion. The amnion is a protective membrane that surrounds the developing embryo and forms a fluid-filled sac. This sac provides cushioning, preventing physical damage, and helps regulate temperature and moisture levels, ensuring a stable environment for growth. Structure in the sperm cell that contains enzymes used to penetrate the ovum. The correct answer is acrosome. The acrosome is a specialized structure in the head of the sperm cell that contains digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down the outer layers of the ovum, allowing the sperm to penetrate and fertilize the egg. This process is critical for successful reproduction. The liquid that surrounds the human embryo. The correct answer is amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid surrounds and protects the developing embryo inside the amniotic sac. It serves multiple functions, including shock absorption, temperature regulation, and allowing free movement for proper development. The fluid also contains nutrients and hormones that support fetal growth. A hollow ball of cells into which the fertilized ovum develops. The correct answer is blastula or blastocyst. The blastula, or blastocyst in mammals, is an early-stage embryo formed through repeated mitotic cell division of the zygote. It consists of a hollow sphere of cells filled with fluid, which later implants into the uterus. This stage is crucial for implantation and further differentiation into specialized tissues. The lining of the uterus, which is richly supplied with blood vessels. The correct answer is endometrium. The endometrium is the inner lining of the uterus that thickens in response to hormones to prepare for potential pregnancy. If fertilization occurs, the blastocyst implants into the endometrium for nourishment. If no pregnancy occurs, this lining is shed during menstruation. Coiled tubular structure outside the testis that stores sperm. The correct answer is epididymis. The epididymis is a long, coiled duct located on the back of each testis. It stores sperm and allows them to mature, gaining motility and the ability to fertilize an egg. This structure ensures that sperm are fully developed before ejaculation. The part of the female reproductive system in which fertilization takes place. The correct answer is fallopian tube or oviduct. The fallopian tube, also called the oviduct, is where the sperm meets the ovum for fertilization. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia help move the fertilized egg towards the uterus. Blockages in the fallopian tubes can lead to infertility. The name given to the embryo after it reaches 12 weeks. The correct answer is fetus. At 12 weeks, the developing embryo is called a fetus because all major organs and structures are formed. From this stage onward, the fetus grows rapidly, and its organs mature. The hormone produced by the pituitary, which controls the growth of the Graafian follicle. The correct answer is follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. FSH is secreted by the pituitary gland and plays a crucial role in the female reproductive cycle. It stimulates the growth and maturation of the Graafian follicle in the ovary, which contains the developing ovum. In males, FSH is responsible for stimulating sperm production in the testes. Layer within the ovary that is responsible for the formation of ova through meiosis. The correct answer is germinal epithelium. The germinal epithelium is a layer of cells on the surface of the ovary that gives rise to primary oocytes through meiosis. These oocytes develop into mature eggs that can be fertilized during the reproductive cycle. Another name for the period of pregnancy. The correct answer is gestation. Gestation is the period from fertilization to birth, during which the embryo develops inside the mother's body. In humans, gestation lasts approximately 40 weeks and includes various developmental stages, from a zygote to a fully formed baby.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.